In this video I'm going to dye my hair with this Color Therapy Color Depositing Hair Mask by Madison Reed in shade Cafe. It adds smoky ash tones to neutralize brassiness in brunette hair. So my hair is, I would say, medium brown color. I also have some grays right here. Directions says that I need to shampoo my hair, rinse, and then apply generously to clean and wet hair. So I washed my hair like, I don't know, an hour ago, and it's already almost dry, but some parts are still wet. I didn't blow dry it. And then I need to wait 5 minutes and rinse it. It also says that you need to wash your hands after use to avoid staining. Use from 2 to 3 times per week. I actually did a little test on a tiny part of my hair, and it's actually stained like the tops of my fingers. I had experience with other kind of color depositing mask, and it was poppy red, and it stained literally everything. So it stained my fingers, it stained my bathtub, it stained my sink, it stained my towels. So that was pretty much of a disaster that happened when I used that mask. Alright, so please don't mind that I changed my shirts into something less pretty. I use my plastic gloves, which is actually hand mask. Well, it's pretty much very brown, I would say, and very creamy. It's indeed perfumery, so I think I should apply I should apply on the roots last minute, because roots is the ones that gets color faster. But the reason why I don't want to apply this mask on wet hair, because I feel like when hair is wet, it's actually can turn out like very streaky. When it's almost dry, it's better. Oh, actually this is the bleach hair that I still have after a few months. No, it actually was literally like 1 year. I will add a photo how my hair turned out after poppy red color depositing mask. This tube is like 118 milliliters, which is 4 fluid ounces. So if you have like a long hair like me, maybe you're going to use the whole tube. I don't know. Man, I think I'm going to use the whole tube for this. I almost ran out of 1 tube. I would like to try second time on wet hair. Definitely I understand why you need to use it on wet hair, because then you use less product, but the question is it going to be saturated enough on your hair? So I'm going to leave it for like 10 minutes, I guess, and then I'm going to rinse it with water, and then I will be back. Alright, so I just rinsed it just with water, and I feel like my hair is pretty much soft. You know, I didn't use conditioner or anything like that, so I see that it covers some of the grays. Yeah, so I think maybe it's worth it to check it out with on wet hair. And it's actually, yeah, it looks like it's more brown, my hair. So just need to wait until it's dry and style it. Maybe use like, whoa, look, I actually like how it turned out. Wow. So that perfumery scent is actually gone. It's just like a little bit smells like, but I think it smells my conditioner that I used before this mask. Okay, so I will be back. And also I wanted to mention that it did stain a little bit, like my gloves were destroyed. It stained my fingers. It's also stained my sink. I'm going to show it in a moment. And I'm also using not white towels, because last time I was using white towels and they turned pink. So right here it's stained my brush, and it's stained a little bit of sink, and this packaging is also stained. So make sure to rinse it like in small space, so then you don't have to clean it. Alright, so I just use the powdered detergent, and I scrub it. and it's actually went away, so it's clean. So this mess is actually doesn't stain surfaces as much as another one that I try. I actually don't remember what the brand that I used. Well, anyways, I'm going to put it on the screen so you can check it out on my Instagram, which is instagram.com/anamishablog. You can read my review of another color depositing conditioner that I tried last year. So yeah. So I'm brushing my hair now, and I feel like, oh my gosh, it's so soft, like so soft, and it's so easy to brush. It's just like my brush, it just glides, you know, like I don't have to even detangle my hair. I know that hair is wet now, but it looks more vibrant. So my hair is completely dry right now, and I still can see some gray hair, but how my hair feels is just amazing. It's like silky soft. It's like I even can run my hand through my hair without a problem, like it doesn't even stuck. And I didn't put any oil or anything like that, so only this mask, and then I also air dry it. I am impressed. Maybe it can be a little pricey because it's only 4 fluid ounces, and if you have long hair like me, maybe it can be pricey because one tube is around $20. And I also have a discount code for you. I will leave a link in the description box below of this video. Well, you remember that I had a little bit of brown right here, sorry, orange, because of my bleach hair. Still can see that there is some like orange shade, like a little bit yellow. I think it's worth checking this mask on wet hair, because that means that you'll use less, because on dry hair you need to use like really a lot. So I am very impressed by how the results turn out, and maybe in the future I will buy more of this mask and maybe try different shade. Actually, on the website of Madison Reed there is a quiz, and you also can find a store, like in my area it's somewhere in the mall, which is like close by, maybe like 30 minutes drive. And also you can do a free quiz to find out how much you want your coverage to be, how much grace you have, and etc. What's the color of your hair, what's the shade, and etc. So it's actually pop out different shade for me, a little bit lighter than cafe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my other videos, and bye bye.